Before any repairs, always unplug your appliance from the mains. The detergent lid cover and seal is found here. It's held in by a connection point on each side. To remove, press in the side plastic on the lid cover and release it from the plastic pins on the dispenser. Unpackage your new detergent lid cover and seal. The hole on both sides of the detergent lid cover is what connects to the pins on both sides of the dispenser. Slot the new detergent lid cover into the pin on the outer side, then slightly squeeze the cover and connect to the inner pin as shown. Make sure it opens and closes correctly. And that's it! Your new dishwasher detergent lid cover and seal is all set to go.